puke off of you.
She's like, I like this. I think I like this.
Don't eat the shampoo. These girls should hold still for a bit.
She likes it. Don't get any in her ears.
Stop it.
My butt is clean. It's dog shampoo. I would like to think it is. She burped.
I gaseous.
Does it say non-toxic?
Doesn't say anything. Good God.
Just be careful around her face.
No, I'm more worried about her licking her fur. Stop it.
Okay. Hey, stop.
Yeah, I know.
No, wait. Give me one more chance. I just want to play with the hose. Dead ass.
No. This is non-toxic.
Missy, you're so soapy. She's like, I don't know if I like this, guys. I'm so soapy.
No.
Mommy, you need soap.
I just took a shower.
Yeah, we just took a shower. We both just took showers. This is really a good idea.
Wait, let me.
Too late now.
Hey, yeah, whatever. I'm over it. All over my leg.
Yep. Welp. There goes your knee brace. She's like, I want it. I want it.
Wait, Ted, pull it back.
She's like, yeah, hose, Wait, this isn't funny anymore. It's on, hose, like soy sauce on a wonton. Try, what?
Not you.
Well, excuse me, but you were looking at me.
I wasn't.
Well, Missy was like right in front of me, so I assumed. Oh, Missy! Curly cow!
Why do you call her that?
I have no idea. I just like it. I guess because she's a girl and she's so big.
Come here!
I don't want a bath anymore!
It's so wet! I don't understand!
No more baths, please!
And the bath?
I can have no bath stink forever! She's like, what are you doing? I'm scared! I'm scared!
Can we hold her by the shorter leash?
I can't, or else my cell phone's gonna be too close and you're gonna hit my cell phone.
So then put your cell phone down.
You're the one who told me to.
I thought you were going to send a picture.
No, I'm recording. This whole thing's video. Like, from the beginning of the bath.
You know, the puke off of you. I know. There you go. All over.
Ah!
Come back here.
No! It's in my butt!
Here, so just end the video, because
Okay.